Hello traders, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. Before I begin the video, I would like to say that my basic premise is that we are still in a downtrend and my opinion will not change unless we get accepted above the 50-day EMA, meaning that we need to get above the blue line, which is the 50-day EMA, hold it as support, meaning a pullback and continuation up, and above the 28.5k I will reconsider my opinion and I will be looking for a long position or to add to my long position actually. However, currently I don't see a reason to change my mind yet. At the moment, Bitcoin is inside the supply zone beginning at 27 and ending at 27.3, and it is fighting with the 200-day EMA and the 50-day EMA resistance level. Currently, I don't see any sign of rejection, and because I don't see any sign of rejection, I'm not entering a short trade yet. And I also take into account the possibility that Bitcoin may want to go higher before entering a short. And in this respect, I don't know if any of you remembers, but I copied in one of the previous videos, I copied a fractal from June's June's price action. Why? Because it was the same, it had the same characteristics. Bitcoin was extremely oversold, it was at 19 and we were in a downtrend. And this fractal has played out very nice so far because it predicted the first short squeeze to 28.1. It predicted the 25k level as support, and it also predicts another short squeeze, which in my opinion we are currently in the middle of this new short squeeze. These two squeezes were almost at the same price, but the second squeeze was a higher high. Now, if this fractal will continue to play as nicely as it has so far, we can expect Bitcoin to get above the previous high, and the current resistance levels, or where I see liquidity, is first at 27.5, which is 50% of the August 31st week. The second liquidity level is the 50% of the August 29th week, which is at let's say 28, and we have the 28.5k level, which is a long-standing support and resistance level. So if Bitcoin does not get rejected from this supply zone, I will be looking for a rejection at these levels, especially above 28k. Between 28k and 25k, I expect Bitcoin to get rejected. My trade idea is entry, let's say at around 28. Again, I don't enter blindly. I always look for signs of rejection before I enter. Stop loss at 28.5, and the target is the 25k level, 25,150, let's say, which is also in accordance with this fractal that seems to be playing out so far. So this is my plan at the moment, and in my opinion we are at resistance, and any moment now I'm looking for a rejection. I just want to say something. I see a lot of Twitter posts that people say that the August low was the low and that's it, and only up from now. This whole price action is crafted to put the retail trader into a long position, and especially into a marginal long position, because fear of missing out. You say, okay, Bitcoin is now going for 40K, for 45K. How can I lose this uptrend? And you just enter along and you get burned. If this is really a new uptrend, the next pullback will prove it's an uptrend because it will be a higher low. Okay, so unless we see a change of character and a higher low, I don't think that the downtrend is over yet. That's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.